Hey everyone, I'm here to announce something I've been really excited about. If you subscribe here, you know I make tutorials about indie production in Blender and sometimes Unreal Engine. I really love teaching others about how to make a living with our own creations. What I found though is the more time I've spent teaching and mentoring over the years, the less time I've spent actually creating my own productions, and that's caused some issues for me, some burnout. So earlier this year, I decided that needs to change. I started my own new independent series that I've kept pretty quiet, produced entirely in Blender. Today, I'm excited to show you the trailer as well as reveal for the first time my new channel. This channel will continue to be where I talk about production and I share tutorials. Night Shift Archive is the new channel where you can go to watch my new series. Night Shift Archive is an immersive and atmospheric first-person series that delves into the eerie and unexplained tales of the night shift worker. I'm calling it an eerie series. From deep earth mine maintenance in the year 2067 to grocery store stalker who uncovers mysteries hidden among the aisles after midnight. I made it an outlet for my own learning and need to create. The series is produced independently and again entirely within Blender. So with that, I want to show you the trailer and check the description for a link to the premiere, which is happening tomorrow, July 5th. Thanks to everyone supporting me and my work. I'm really excited to share this new series with you and to start diving in here into how I actually created it, all of the good behind the scenes stuff. Thanks, and here's the trailer.